The behavior help cycle is informed by the principles of positive behavior support that puts the individual at the center of a team to work in partnership throughout the process to meet the individual's needs, enable rights and respect, improve quality of life, and provide choice and control. Assess stage involves completing a functional behavior assessment to gain insight into the factors contributing to the behaviors of concern. Manage stage involves developing a behavior management plan to enable the team to recognize and respond to escalations safely and consistently. Prevent stage involves developing a behavior prevention plan to minimize triggers, develop skills, and fade out the use of restrictive practices. Collectively, the behavior management and prevention plans form a positive behavior support plan. Throughout the process, we review the effectiveness by comparing pre- and post-intervention data to make necessary adjustments in a continuous cycle of review. Together, we create positive outcomes for everyone. Visit behaviorhelp.com for positive behavior support resources for parents, teachers, and practitioners.